are doing French skincare today, which means we're using Creamy French Kraft edition. So we're gonna use this to wash our face today and see how it works to take off our makeup. A little nervous. Look, actually going on my hand. Oh, I'm scared. This is kind of disgusting. Let's see. Oh, it's really, it's kind of exfoliating. It's like little, I wonder if this is gonna make me like tan because it's like orange. Oh, it smells like a salad. Oh, let's see how it makes my skin feel. It's probably gonna be super oily. Oh, it smells like a salad hardcore in here. It actually kind of feels good. I'm not gonna lie, this kind of feels good on my skin. That looks like a spray tan gone bad. Don't you think? So that was an experience, I'm not gonna lie. My skin, overall, feels oily. Oily to say the least. Really though, I'd probably give that like a good solid like 6.5 for a cleanser. Okay guys, see you later. Peace. In all seriousness, we are doing French skincare, but it's skincare from France, not French dressing. I don't really know why I did that. To entertain you guys, I guess. So this is called Phyts Cosmetics. We sell it at the salon that I work at. I use it in all my facials, and I use it just about every day. And I still have French dressing on the side of my nose. The line that I use on my skin is called White Bioactive. It's good for oily skin, it's good for discoloration, it's good for, you know, just, I really like the scrub because it's kind of grainy and it really gets in there and scrubs, which I'm gonna need after that French dress. Like the White Bioactive Cleanser is a lotion, which kind of confusing because it says lotion on it, but it's really a cleanser. Focus in, there you go, see that? And you just spray it on a cotton pad and rub it around. I love it because it's simple, you don't need water, you just rub it on your face. The next step in the White Bioactive line is the Gommage. That is the nice scrub. It's not super like gritty, but it is. It's gentle but harsh at the same time, if that makes sense. Nothing I say ever does though. Just a nice little amount on your hand. As you rub this in, can you guys see that? That's all my dead skin. That's my dead skin coming off. Feels so good. In the White Bioactive line, there's two moisturizers, a daytime and a nighttime, which count them, two moisturizers. Don't yell at me if I'm saying this wrong. Creme de jour is the daytime. Creme de nuit is the nighttime. So it's nighttime here as I'm recording. I'm gonna use the nighttime. The nighttime is a little heavier than the daytime, but you're sleeping on it, so it has longer to absorb into your skin. Where day cream, you want it to be light, you want to be able to wear makeup over it. After doing all that, I don't want to put makeup back on, so I would never. There you have it, guys. Nice naked nailology face. The conclusion I have from today's video is French dressing belongs on your salad, not your face. It did honestly make my skin feel like kind of good while it was on, but once I took it off, my skin was super oily. So I don't recommend trying that at home. But if you do, let me know what you think down in the comments below. As for the Phyts skincare line, I love it, and I'm not saying that because I sell it at the salon. I genuinely love that product. I'm at home, I use it on myself. I wouldn't have bought it if I didn't like it, because it is kind of expensive, I'm not gonna lie. But that's all I have for today. If you like what you saw, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and turn on the post notification bell to join the Nailification Squad, not Newlification Squad. For all of you guys that follow my boyfriend, Newology is Nailification now. Nailification. But that's all I got for now, guys.